You can also do schedule jobs for dashboards like this. So in our file options, if we add a new schedule job, well, you can set up the scheduling options here. Let's just do quickly once every week on Mondays. And the format you can now see for a dashboard, it's more like a graphical output. You can also do PDFs and PowerPoints, etc. But let's just stay with the PNG. And as we did previously, let's put it into our shared folder. So having done that, and OK here, we can go to our scheduled jobs, and we can just run it now so that we can see the output. All right, and the output, since we picked the shared folder, we need to look for it here. Remember, you need to enable the other options over here, and also you'll probably need to do a refresh in order to see it. So there it is. Let's just try it, double click it, looks like this. And if we do a zoom out, yeah, we can see the full PNG file right here. Okay, let's do another type of schedule job. If we go back to the dashboard here, notice the cross tab on the right hand side over here. Maybe you'd like to export that and maybe export it into, let's say, an Excel file. The way to do that, you need to right click it, go into data options and pick the schedule option. Again, you need to set up your desired scheduling, again, once every week on Mondays. And notice here, now you can pick from CSV files, Excel files, or XML files. Let's just do the Excel and keep the default settings here. And again, let's just put it into our shared export folder. And once we run it and wait for it, it should pop up just like the other ones in our shared folder. Do a refresh, and there it is, the Excel file. And let's just open it, and you can see the result right here in the Excel file.